Network printer missing? Here's exactly how to add one in Windows step by step. Open Windows Settings and navigate to Devices, then select Printers and Scanners. If you're on an older machine, you can reach this same destination through Control Panel under Devices and Printers instead. Either way, once you arrive, look for the Add a Printer or Scanner button and click it. That single action kicks off the whole process. Windows will automatically scan your network for available printers. Any printer that's powered on and connected to the same network should appear in the list within a few seconds. Click on the one you want, then select Add Device. If your printer doesn't appear automatically, click the link that says the printer that I want isn't listed. You'll be prompted to enter either the printer's IP address or its hostname. This manual method works even when automatic discovery fails due to network configuration or firewall rules. After adding the printer, Windows will try to install the driver automatically through Windows Update. No action needed on your part if it works. But if the driver isn't found automatically, you'll need to go to the manufacturer's website, HP, Canon, Epson, and download it yourself. To sum up, navigate to Printers and Scanners, click Add, let Windows scan, enter an IP address if needed, and install the driver. Nail these 5 steps and you've got this interview question handled. Want to nail questions like this in your next interview? Interview Mentor gives you hands-on practice with real questions. Every answer gets a grade with specific, personalized feedback. Track your progress across topics and difficulty levels.